When disaster or emergencies strike that cause major damage to your home or workplace, such as fire or flooding, naturally, you want to restore your property to its original state. So if you're looking for professional, reliable, and affordable fire or flood damage restoration, you've come to the right place. We're proud to be the premier local restoration company, and customer satisfaction is our #1 priority. We are fully licensed and insured, and our restoration specialists have years of experience dealing with every type of situation you can imagine. So contact us now and let us help put your property back the way it was.